No, gusto ko mapunta sa impyerno para makatunggali si Satan, para matapos na ang kasamaan. Kasi ako lang ang makakatalo sa kanya. Alam nyo, yan ang gusto ni Satan. He wants you to joke about hell. Because if you laugh at it, you won't prepare for it. And sin doesn't send anyone to hell. Unbelief does. There is no judgment against anyone who believes in Him. But anyone who does not believe in Jesus has already been judged. Ang hell po ay hindi lugar kung saan mapupunta yung taong masasama. Kasi lahat ng tao masama. Hell is where people go who reject Jesus. Kaya nga mas maraming beses pa binanggit ng Panginoong Hesus ang hell kaysa sa heaven. Not to scare us, but to save us. Kasi kung hindi totoo ang hell, the cross would make no sense. Diba? Why would Jesus suffer and die like that kung wala namang eternal consequence ang sin? Jesus paid for every sin. At kapag na-reject nyo yun, then you are choosing judgment over mercy. Minsan talaga, yung ibang tao, ayaw lang talaga maniwala sa Diyos kasi daw there's so much evil in this world. Marami daw masamang nangyayari. Bakit daw ganon? Well, if dentists exist, bakit marami pa rin sirang ngipin sa mundo? Or maybe nasaktan kayo, but that doesn't disprove the existence of God. If you've been hurt by fake religion, I get it. Fake people in the church, I get it. But don't run from Jesus because of people. God doesn't want you in hell. He went through hell to keep you out.